Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best topwater lures is probably one of the most exciting ways to catch bass. Watching a bass explode on the surface after your lure is an unmatched thrill. In this video, we're diving deep into the topwater lures that will help you reel in those trophy bass. We'll cover different types, from poppers to frogs, and discuss how to choose the right one for your fishing conditions. Number 5. TRUSCEND Easy Catch Soft Lures. Introducing the TRUSCEND Easy Catch Soft Lures. These lures are designed to attract more bites with their unique vibrating swim action. This is the perfect choice for family fishing. Made with Japan material, this 3.5-inch lure is ready for action. It's your essential paddle tail lure for bass, trout, walleye, and many more. You can use it in various environments. The lure features a 3D paddle tail for turbulence and ultra-realistic patterns. It has lifelike holographic eyes and a solid wire construction. The top hook protects against snags, making it easy to use. With the ideal weight, this bait achieves a slow, flutter presentation. The soft body swim baits generate the perfect kicking action. You can easily cast it into your ideal fishing area. Constructed from high-quality Japanese materials, the design and light refraction patterns make it realistic. The soft plastic perfectly emulates erratic baitfish action, attracting more fish. Equipped with a sharp high-carbon steel hook, this lure ensures more hookups. The innovative design helps avoid getting snagged. This will take your fishing to the next level. What we like. This lure's lifelike action and weedless design make it perfect for fishing in various environments. The ultra-sharp hook ensures a higher hookup ratio. If you are looking for a versatile lure that can handle different types of cover and attract more bites, you should consider this one. What people say. The lures have a great design and are very effective at catching bass. They create a lot of surface disturbance, which attracts fish. The hooks are sharp and strong, ensuring a good hook set. Number 4. Sougayilang Fishing Rod Reel Combo with Carrier Bag. This combo includes everything you need for a great fishing trip. It comes with a rod, reel, carrier bag, lures, line, and accessories. It's perfect for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. The rod is made of high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, making it both strong and lightweight. The guide rings are made with Cis ceramic for better heat dissipation and durability. The advanced epoxy resin adhesive makes the guide ring more solid. The reel features 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings for ultra-smooth performance. It has a powerful 5.5 to 1 gear ratio and an interchangeable handle. The aluminum honeycomb spool is both strong and lightweight, while the EVA knob provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. This combo is lightweight and portable, easily fitting in your car, boat, or backpack. Take it with you to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing anytime, anywhere. We are proud to offer a worry-free 1-year service. If you have any problems, please contact us, and our customer service team will assist you. What we like. This combo kit provides everything you need to start fishing right away. The durable carbon fiber rod and smooth reel performance ensure a great fishing experience. If you are a beginner or someone who wants a convenient and reliable setup, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The rod itself is really whippy, which makes it super easy to cast far without putting in a ton of effort. The baits it comes with are actually good quality, definitely not the cheap stuff you sometimes get with combo kits. Went beyond expectations for a telescopic rod and the price. Does great for me as much as I travel and love to fish. Number 3. Arbogast Triple Threat Fishing Lure 3-Pack. Introducing the Arbogast Triple Threat Pack. This pack includes 3 legendary topwater lures, designed to catch topwater fish. They come in the best size and color patterns. The hula popper features a pulsating skirt, making it highly visible to fish. It's ideal for fishing in the morning, noon, or night. Use it over submerged timber, weeds, or grass beds. The jitterbug has a double-cupped lip that creates a loud, rhythmic sound. This sound is irresistible to surface-feeding fish, especially bass. It's a proven fish catcher. This pack includes 2 jitterbug lures and 1 hula popper lure. This combination gives you the ultimate topwater fishing arsenal. Get yours today. With the Arbogast Triple Threat Pack, you'll be ready for any topwater fishing situation. This lure will help you catch more fish. Get ready for an exciting fishing experience. What we like. This pack includes 2 jitterbug lures and 1 hula popper, all proven topwater lures. The hula popper's pulsating skirt and the jitterbug's rhythmic sound are irresistible to fish. If you like to have a variety of topwater lures to attract fish in different conditions, you should consider this one. What people say. You get 3 lures introduced in 1938 and 1940 that are proven big bass catches and continue to prove themselves year after year. If you fish at dusk night, the jitterbug is the lure to use. A slow retrieve causes vibrations and sound that bass hone in on absolutely love. A slow and steady retrieve or a stop-and-go retrieve will always trigger an explosive top water explosion as bass burst out of the water to get the jitterbug. Number 2. Heddon Zara Spook Topwater Lure. This is the Heddon Zara Spook, a legendary lure. It's designed to walk the dog, creating an enticing action on the water's surface. This technique is proven to attract fish. The unique walk-the-dog action of this lure is irresistible. Whether fish are suspended or actively feeding on the surface, this lure calls them in. Get ready for explosive strikes. The Zara Spook's distinctive action calls fish from far away. Its design is specifically made to grab their attention. It's a topwater bait that's incredibly effective. This lure is equipped with a double hook design. This ensures a secure catch, increasing your chances of landing that trophy fish. It's built for success. The lure is 4.12 inches long and weighs 3.4 ounces. It features 1/0 hooks. This combination of size and weight makes it ideal for attracting a variety of fish. What we like. This lure's walk-the-dog action is a classic technique to attract fish on the surface. The distinctive action calls fish from great distances, prompting explosive strikes. If you like to use a proven and effective topwater lure, you should consider this one. What people say. The lures are well made and durable. They have a great action in the water. The hooks are sharp and effective. Number 1. Strike King KVD Splash Hardbait. Introducing the Strike King KVD Splash Hardbait. This bait is designed to attract fish with its unique splashing action. It's a must-have for any angler looking to catch more fish. This bait is made with premium components, ensuring durability and performance. You can rely on it to withstand tough conditions and deliver results. It's built to last. Featuring a feather-enhanced rear treble hook, this bait increases your chances of a solid hook set. The feathers add extra attraction, enticing fish to strike. Get ready to reel them in. The 3D eyes give this bait a realistic look, making it irresistible to fish. They add to the overall appeal, mimicking a real baitfish. This is a game changer. With the Strike King KVD Splash Hardbait, you're equipped to catch more fish. Its design and features work together to attract and hook fish effectively. Upgrade your tackle box today. What we like. This lure is made with premium components, including a feather-enhanced rear treble hook and 3D eyes. These features enhance the lure's attractiveness and increase your chances of a successful catch. If you like a lure with attention to detail and quality, you should consider this one. What people say. The lures have a great design and work well. The hooks are very sharp and the lures are durable. They cast a mile and the action is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.